The intensity versus distance inverse square. Interactive calculator solves intensity changes with distance following the inverse square law. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate intensity at distance. Calculate distance for target intensity. Calculate source intensity. Calculate intensity ratio. 2 distances. Calculate distance for intensity change, and compare intensities at 2 distances. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Intensity at Distance. The input fields are initial intensity I1, where you enter your starting intensity, initial distance D1 for your starting distance, target distance D2 for the distance where you want to find the intensity, target intensity I2, and intensity ratio I2/I1. Let's work through an example. I'll enter initial intensity I1 equals 10, initial distance D1 equals 10, and target distance D2 equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show intensity at D2 is 10,000 in the same units as I1. The reduction factor is 1000x, percent change is 0.00%, and distance ratio D2-D1 is 1000. Since both distances are equal, the intensity remains unchanged, which makes perfect sense. This calculator streamlines inverse square law calculations for any intensity-based measurement. Find the link in the description below.